friends, today I have brought a topic on share market. Friends, are you looking to invest in the share market? Do you want to know if you will be successful in the share market? Or are you not achieving any success? Do make sure to watch this video till the end. Your date of birth has a major role to play in your success in the share market. Hi, welcome back to your channel, The Number World, and I am Vidyaa Shetti, numerologist and Vastu coach. So let's begin. Entering the share market can be a fantastic way to grow your wealth over time, but it is essential to first educate yourself on investing and then the market. Set clear financial goals and your risk tolerance. Develop a long-term perspective, maybe perhaps for 3 to 5 years. Diversify to minimize the risk. Keep a reserve fund too. Finally, you should conduct your own research in the scripts that you are interested in before making a decision, or consult a financial advisor. Remember, investing in the share market involves risks and that there is no guarantee of returns. Today, I'll speak to you how in Loshu numerology certain numbers support and influence investing in the share market. But which are those numbers? From my experience, I have seen if these particular numbers are present in your date of birth, then you will really do well. So let's see if your date of birth can give you the success in share market. Check your date of birth and see if you have either a 5 or a 6 as your birth number or a destiny number. If so, then you have the right combination to enter the share market. How do you calculate your birth number and destiny number? I have put it in the description below. But for those of you who do not know, let me run through it quickly. Let's take a date of birth as 23/4/2013. Now, if you add 23, you get a single digit, that is 5. So 5 becomes your birth number. If you add up 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, 1 and 3, all the numbers together, you will get a compound number, and that if you bring it to single digit, it comes to number 6. The person with this date of birth has a birth number 5 and destiny number 6, a perfect combination to enter the share market. Number 5 and number 6 are the best combination you can be an investor. You need to see two things. One, if you have number 5 and 6 in your chart, but your destiny number and birth number is 4 or 8, you cannot enter the market. Secondly, if your birth number and destiny number is neither 4 nor 8, and in your birth chart you have number 6, then you can enter the share market. Number 4 and number 8 are ruled by Rahu and Saturn respectively. These are struggle numbers, and you have to earn through hard work only. Should you enter the market with these numbers, you may be lucky for a short period, say maybe 1 or 2 years. But after that, you will notice that your scripts do not earn you as it was doing before. So therefore, it can make you a king one day. It can also make you a pauper. Never do shortcuts. That is, never go in for short trading or intraday trading. It is always better and preferable to go for a long-term investment. The pain of waiting is always in the gain. So definitely you will be a lot richer at the end of your investment term. Now let's see those who can earn money in the share market without investing their own. So whatever may be your birth number and destiny number, if your date of birth or in your birth chart you have 3 and 7, then you work as a broker, a share analyst or a consultant. If you have 2 and 7 present in your chart and 3 is absent, do not enter as an investor but as a consultant. Numbers 2, 3 and 7 are good to enter into the market as a broker or a share analyst or a consultant. So long as you have the other 3 numbers or any 2 of those 3 numbers, also you can enter as a broker. Numbers 1 and number 9, they only provide you the confidence as well as the courage to take the risk, whether you should be an investor or you should be a long-term investor, or whether you should invest for others. Well, that's all for today. I hope you found this informative and you'll definitely share this among your friends and relatives. So, thank you, take care and goodbye.